Okay. Carver Grant Hoffman's going to show you some of his tricks. What are you doing first? Front tuck?
Front tuck, yeah.
Tuck in your legs. Tuck. Woo! That one was good.
Now, front walk over.
Good. Yep. You remembered the name? Was that a front handspring or a front walkover? I think it was a front handspring. Now split your legs and go slow. Don't bounce. Carver.
Oh, no.
Okay, that's 3. You have 2 more. Ah! You landed it! Do it again!
Oh, that's over here.
Okay. Go slow and split your legs apart. Carver Grant! Okay, that was 5.
I
Good
want to watch that
boy.
video. I can't believe I landed it.